like to show you how to make a vegetable glass noodle. Let's chop the mushroom. Put 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, then leave it few minutes. For the spinach, put half teaspoon of salt and sesame oil. Now we're gonna make a tofu sauce. Put 3/4 of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, minced garlic and ginger, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Put all the veggies and pre-soaked glass noodles. Today I don't want to use oil for frying. So put bit of water to make soak for only the bottom part of the veggies. We're gonna put more spices. Minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. Thanks for watching my channel today.